안녕하세요. This video is to explain how to take the exam. Yeah. So in the exam, we will have listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So this is the answer sheet for listening and reading. Written 듣기, listening, and 읽기, reading, like this. So I will send you this before the exam, like 1 week before the exam, and I want you to print this out. You should print this out. If you cannot print it at home, of course you should go out and get the print. Or if you want, you can stop by our office, and I will give you the sheet. As I said, if you don't print this out, you cannot take the exam. You cannot use computer. Computer using is not acceptable. So you print this, and then you should write the year here. 20, so this, 2020, 2020, and this is second semester, 2학기. Because autumn semester, 가을 학기 is a second semester in Korea. So you write the year 2020 and 2학기. Like I'm using computer at the moment, but you should print this out and write it with the pen. And then you should write Tallinn here. Tallinn. And this is course. So you should write 1A. 1A. And then you should write your name in Estonian or in Korean. Both are okay. Write your name. So don't write my name. Don't write your name. For example, Anna Maria. Like this. Write your name. And then I will go to here. And then for the type of the answer, your how to say exam, just type A, mark in A. I'm using computer at the moment, but as I said, don't computer. Print this out and use pen. And this is the answers for listening, and this is for reading. We will start with the listening, and you will have 15 questions for listening and another 15 questions for reading. So if you think the answer is number one, then just mark like this. But oh, now you realize that you made a mistake. Actually, the answer is number three. Then do like this. Mark it clearly, and then mark three. Mark. Oh, now you think actually it wasn't number three. It was number four. Then mark like this. Okay. If the answer is number four, then I will it's a correct answer. But if you do like this, then you mark for both number two and number four, then I'm not sure which one you have chosen. Then I will mark it as a wrong one, even if the answer is four or two. Okay, so make it clear. This for listening, reading is all same, right? Okay, so it's clear. So write the year, second semester, Tallinn, and 1A, 1A, and your name, Anna Maria, and then mark on the A. This is the example. This is the example. Yeah. Okay. And then let's go to writing sheet. It's also same. You start with the year. and E. Here, Tallinn. Here, Tallinn. And then 사정명 here, 1A. 1A. And then you write your name here. Katja. Katja. Or you can write in Estonian as well. And then this part, I will tell you will tell you what to write later, and you don't need to write here. And there is a answer for you. There are three questions in the writing part. Number one and number two is short answers. You just should answer short. 한국에 maybe can be an answer or 뭐 대학교를 university or something like this. Yeah, one or two words. Yeah. Tricky part is essay part. Essay part, 70 points. So when you write, you should make a space in the beginning for first sentence of the passage. First sentence of the passage. So 저는, as I said, also you need to print this out. So you need to print this out. You cannot use computer. You cannot use computer. You should print it out and use the pen. 저는 한국어 선생님입니다. So if there is a space, you also empty the box. And 한국어 선생님입니다. And also for period, you should use one box. And then start right away. 한국어 선생님입니다. 저는 딸린에 살아요. I live in Tallinn. 탈린에 you need to continue like this. 탈린에 살아요. 저는 12월에 자, for numbers. If it's just one number, you use one box. And if it's two numbers, also you use one box. But if it's three numbers, you should use two boxes, right? 12월에 한국에 갈 거예요. 가족들하고 친구들을 만날 거예요. 자, for your exam, essay, they will ask you to write 50 to 80 letters. 50 to 80 letters. I already wrote 61 letters. No, I already wrote 61 letters. So actually the criteria is really low, I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences and it's already enough, right? So you don't have to worry too much about essay. Yeah, just write. And yeah. And also I want you to tell you that please don't give up in the exam, If you write something, I can give you some point, But if you don't write anything at all, then I cannot give you any points, Please write something. And also in the speaking part, we will do through Zoom. And also, even if you're not sure, please say something, And also in the writing part and speaking part, you don't have to tell the truth all the time, right? This is just to check your speaking and writing level, not about your honesty level, So keep this in mind also. If you have any question, also ask any. And yeah, please print out those answer sheets. And 안녕.